Thanks for using Titan Doors and Gates. Simple gate maintenance is imperative for extending the longevity of your gate system. Here's a quick video to walk you through greasing your gate hinges. For this job, you only need 2 items, and both can be picked up at your local automotive store. We recommend a lever grease gun and a grease cartridge that easily inserts into it rather than buying the grease in bulk. We use Valvoline, but any general purpose grease will do the job. Once you have these 2 products, you're ready to go. This is the grease cert on the bottom side of the barrel. What we're going to do is take this portion of the grease gun off and insert it over that grease cert. But then we're going to get that on the grease cert, and then we will take and put more grease in by pushing the lever down. And then we'll pull it back out and do it again. You know that you've got enough in there if you start seeing this come up off of the barrel itself, because it sits on top of the barrel. This flange right here sits on top of the barrel. So if it's coming up, then you've got enough grease in it. Give it about 6 months, put some more in. We recommend doing this once every 6 months. Whether you think it needs it or not, it's going to have used it enough that you're going to need to add some grease, and you're not going to damage anything if you have a little bit too much. But if you don't have enough, it'll start quickly wearing down the stainless steel ball bearing, and your gate will start dragging more and more, again causing a shorter life on your arm. Thanks again for trusting Titan Doors and Gates. We are grateful for your business. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to give us a call for any of your maintenance needs.